Hello, Mrs. Bus here with instructions for today. Okay, you have your actividad inicial. It's an activity on Spanish.com. I put the information here in case that you don't have it. You click here and you're going to be practicing the verb ser. So what you need to do is complete in the blank with the correct form of the verb ser. For example, here would be soy because it's yo. Then mis perros, that's a plural form and is third person, so you need to find out what the form is. You can use your notes. You have notes for the verb there, so that is, you have 15 questions here. And you need a minimum of 80 points to get your points for the activity. And next, you're going to complete your quiz. And there are two parts in this quiz. It's a quiz 3B-3 that is on plurals, that we were practicing plurals of adjectives. And then the part 3B-4, the Prueba 3B-4, that is the part on the verb ser. So let's see how this goes. I put an example here. So what I'm doing is says you're talking on the phone to your friend in Spain who is coming to attend your school. To help him know what to expect, describe the people, things below using the correct plural, masculine or feminine forms of the adjective provided. So, for example, if I give you profesoras de ciencias, profesoras is already in plural. But then I give you this adjective. Now, this adjective is not in plural. And also, you see profesoras is feminine. And this adjective is in masculine. What you're going to do, your mission is to match that adjective to the noun. If the noun is plural masculine, the adjective is going to be plural masculine. If the noun is plural feminine, you're going to match with a plural feminine adjective. And you also need to add the article. So I put the article for profesoras and it's las profesoras de ciencias. Then comes the verb son, because it's plural, and then you change this to feminine and plural, and that would be divertidas, and that's how we get las profesoras de ciencias son divertidas. So you have 8 of these questions. Once you finish this, you're going to the next quiz, that is the Prueba 3B-4. For Prueba 3B-4, you have a conversation where you have to select what goes in this blank, and I give you the options. So you can select which one of these forms corresponds to each one of the sentences that you have there. You have, I think it's 16 of these questions. You have the options on how to conjugate the verb ser. And according to what you see here, following the conversation, is how you answer selecting the correct form of the verb. That is for your quizzes that you need to take today. On the next part, you're going to copy the grammar notes. The grammar notes are in this document that you have right here. I put the screenshots so you can copy from here. You have grammar notes for the verb ir, that is the verb that we're going to see in this chapter 4a. And there is for asking questions that we were talking about last class, that how to say what, how, who, with whom, where, how many, etc. So we're going to be learning that for this chapter. And I put the video that corresponds to those notes right here. You need to watch this video too. It's the Gram Activa video that comes with this chapter. And then you can learn the new vocabulary with this Quizlet 8. And here's your vocabulary for this unit. So that's all that you have to do today. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll see you in class. Adios.